Hey guys, it's Emily here. So I have two American Girl doll boxes here. I have a Truly Me doll and I have Coraline, I think is what her name is. I actually don't know anything about her. I got out of American Girl dolls when she actually came out. So, but I'm gonna turn her into something else, so I'm super excited. So I actually did unbox these dolls before and saw them. But I didn't do a video because it was like really late at night, so there was like no sunshine or anything. So I really wanted you guys to see these dolls, like, in better quality. So that's why I'm doing this video now. But I haven't saw them since then, so I'm excited to actually see them again. And my cat's in the video. So yeah, so let's open them up. But first of all, the reason why I got these dolls, a friend from high school gave me these dolls. Coraline is like beat up a bit, but she's not that bad since I'm going to be replacing her wig. And the Truly Me doll is basically like brand new. So, yeah, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm really thankful because she gave me these for free. And of course, she knows I'm going to take care of them because she actually gave me her Molly long time ago. So, I'll definitely take care of them. So, thank you to her big time because it saves me money on getting dolls. So yeah, and oh my goodness, these cats can't stay out. Okay, so let's open this up. So first we're gonna open Coraline up. She's in this hospital box. So I'm gonna open up so you guys can see. So I got her book as well, but I'm gonna probably donate this book because since I don't really have her, I don't really need the book with her. So here she is. And oh, and she also gave me two American Girl doll books as well because I don't have them sent to my house. So because that would be really addicting, but I'm tempting to get one. But here's Coraline. This is her hair. So her hair is like really fuzzy and stuff, but she's not that bad condition. So yeah, let me bring her up close so you can see her. She does have some marks like on her, she has a mark on her cheek and her chin, but hopefully I can get them off though. But she's really pretty. I love her eyes so much. She has this really pretty like aqua eyes, and I just think they're really pretty. And I'm actually gonna be putting a blue short wig on. So yeah, so I think it would look really cute with her aqua green eyes. So yeah, she's definitely gonna look different after she's done. But here she is. But yeah, I was excited when I got her because I love her eyes, but obviously she's not what she's gonna look like soon. But I'm gonna turn her into a fortune teller doll, and her name is gonna be Luna. So yeah, and again she's gonna have short blue hair, so that's gonna be really fun. So here she is, and we're gonna move on to the next doll. So the next doll, I forgot what her number was, 61. Whereas, like I said, she's like basically brand new. She got her a few months ago, but she decided that she didn't want her. She wanted other dolls instead. So she gave me her, which I'm very thankful about. So here she is. Let me undo her wig here. I put it on here because I wanted her hair to stay together really nicely. She is like such a pretty doll, and I love her hair so much. I just love the cooliness of her hair, and I love this orangey hair so much. She's a really beautiful doll. I definitely recommend getting her if you want. I did buy a doll off of Facebook Marketplace, which is the same doll, but she is really wrecked. Her hair is so frizzy, just like how Coraline's hair is, but it's like really bad, and she's like all scratched up and stuff, and I didn't really know that. The photos didn't show that, and when I got her, of course I kind of just had to say yes and give them the money because they, met me halfway for me to pick it up. So, yeah, so I'm actually going to be selling her on Facebook Marketplace as well. I found someone that wants her, so at least I'll be selling her. But less than loan, but I'm really thankful that my friend gave me this doll because now I can you know, be more happy and turn her into a vampire doll. Because the other doll, I just like really like, I was thinking about getting her head replaced, but it's just like a lot of money to get her head replaced. So, so now I don't have to worry about that. So yeah, she's really pretty. I just love her clothes so much. She's just such a pretty doll, and I really cannot wait to turn her into a vampire doll. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the dolls I got. I will be getting another doll soon off of eBay. It's actually just the head and then the doll, like they're not attached, which is really weird, but yeah, so I can't wait to custom that doll. I'm actually going to send it to someone to put a wig on, because I found a wig I really like that I want to put on that doll, because the headless doll, the headless body, doesn't come with a wig. So I'm gonna have to get one, which I already found one, so I think I'll be good to go. So yeah, so this is my fortune teller doll, and this is my vampire doll, and I already have a witch themed doll, and the doll that I'll be getting soon is actually going to be a werewolf doll. So yeah, very excited. So keep tuned, because I'm going to be posting a lot of videos of me turning my dolls into vampire and, you know, Halloween themed dolls. So I'm super excited. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day.